Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the daily activity goals on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the daily activity goals on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page, and on it, in the top right corner, there should be this profile icon. Tap on it, and here find the option called My Goals. Select it, and right here we have basically list of the goals, and we can tap on target steps, for example, and here we can adjust the goal to our liking by swiping up and down. Then we can tap on OK. Next we have the target weight. You can change it to whatever you like. Then we have the target calories. Then we have target sleep. And once you're done, you can go back to the main page of the app, tap on device icon, and make sure that the device is connected. And if it is connected, it should basically be updating the information. So if we go to our watch, wake up the screen on it, open the widgets by swiping up on the screen, look for the activity widget, tap on it, and here we have our steps, and the goal is updated. Before it was 8,000, now it's 9,000. So it is working, and that's how you change the amount of the daily activity goal or goals on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.